Instagram allows you to save reels as drafts, but there isn't a built-in option to save drafts directly to your phone's gallery. So, however, there are workarounds to download drafts to your gallery without publishing them as well. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, simply tap on the plus icon available at the bottom to record or upload your videos as you normally would. Now all you have to do is tap on the video you want to save for drafts. Then tap on the next option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the next again at the bottom right corner. Now there you can see save draft option available. Tap on the save draft. Now your video is successfully saved to the draft. Now in order to look for it, go back to your profile. Now cross it from the top left corner, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once in the profile, all you have to do is tap on the Reels section at the middle, and there you will get to see your drafts option available. Now there you can see. Now all you have to do is tap on the drafts option available there and open the video you just saved to the drafts. There you can see download icon available at the top. Once you see the download icon, simply tap on the download button and it will be downloaded to your gallery. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.